Virtual Beings News Summary September 1, 2025. AI Vector TCN appears as an avatar-based chatbot demonstrator for patient care workflow guidance, indicating a healthcare interface pattern where clinical processes are narrated or coordinated through a visual character rather than a text-only bot, with the exemplar provided via Brenner Adams' video walkthrough. iShowSpeed's deployment of an AI VTuber to keep audiences engaged while he sleeps illustrates a concrete streaming use case in which a creator's presence is extended by an always-on avatar that chats, reacts, and even roasts viewers during live tours, demonstrating round-the-clock parasocial engagement without continuous human presence. NVIDIA and Iconic Interactive are paired in the Oversight Bureau, where NVIDIA ACES powers conversational NPCs and Iconic Interactive's narrative engine orchestrates story progression through dialogue, while Mythical Games partners with Pudgy Penguins on Pudgy Party to bring NFT avatars into a multiplayer mobile experience that links character identity to ownership and play. Epic Games advances creator workflows by integrating MetaHuman Creator into Unreal Engine 5.6, reducing friction in producing high-fidelity digital humans directly in engine and aligning character creation with real-time rendering pipelines. Reddit restructures its collectible avatar ecosystem by ending the creator program, redirecting royalties to artists, and retiring its vault while maintaining wallet export through January 1, 2026 on Polygon-based collectibles, signaling a shift in platform-level avatar monetization and asset custody. Character AI and Scheisgrok illustrate large-scale adoption of AI companions described with anime-style avatars and rapid uptake in Japan, while FlipChat positions itself as a customizable virtual character platform evolving from one-to-one emotional companions toward broader character creation and role personalization. A northeastern Japan municipality deploys an AI character terminal to attend to citizens, showing public service counters adopting character interfaces for information and assistance. Meta is associated with two developments: reports alleging the use of avatars of minors and celebrities in chatbots, including flirtatious behavior and a variant linked to Kendall Jenner, and a separate tightening of teen safeguards that curb flirty chats and self-harm talk, together presenting a snapshot of reputational and policy pressures around avatarized AI interactions with young users. Mata Center appears in an example where the avatar Boo Hamad signs a full sentence to convey meaning in sign language, demonstrating a concrete accessibility use case of a virtual signer supporting language acquisition. A complementary VR tutorial case shows a virtual avatar guiding learners through a complete instructional sequence, evidencing structured learner avatar interaction for training inside VR. VR Chat is highlighted as a social VR platform where end users buy or assemble avatars, with modular avatar and careful blend shape configuration enabling efficient customization workflows. Roblox appears with a developer-reported collision anomaly in which avatar legs still collide despite can collide being false, and leg behavior can compromise the hitbox system, illustrating engine-level constraints on avatar embodiment. Broader community threads underline how NPC systems vary across games, from recruiting and creature taming mechanics, to stylistic choices such as applying sensor sounds to NPC dialogue versus the main cast, and nostalgic references to incidental NPCs in Morrowind, collectively mapping practical design and technical factors shaping avatars and synthetic characters in gameplay. Antics is presented as a creator and brand workspace to create, own, direct, and manage digital humans, positioning controllable, managed virtual personas for production uses. A complementary technical pathway shows digital human imagery generated via low RA and comfy UI on the WAN 2.2 model, with low VRAM upscaling, demonstrating a concrete, resource-aware pipeline for producing and enhancing digital human assets. Instagram is specified as a target channel for automated avatar-based publishing, while N8N is the workflow tool selected to post from a database of avatar photos guided by a prompt, together evidencing a practical marketing automation pattern, in which virtual persona content is scheduled and distributed programmatically. TikTok features as a distribution platform for VTuber creators including Lidio, Sincerely, Aurora, @GG_Aurora, and Melly, where short, reactive clips and challenge segments drive audience engagement, indicating that personality-led virtual performers use brief, recurring content formats to sustain reach and interaction on the platform. Stable Avatar, proposed by Fudan University and Microsoft, is positioned as an end-to-end, long-duration audio-driven system for human video generation that addresses prior failures beyond 15 seconds, namely face/body distortion and color drift, by replacing third-party audio embeddings with stable integrated audio modeling, thereby supporting sustained virtual human synthesis for content creation and adjacent scenarios. Simon Fraser University employs the 3D digital person Kia as a teaching assistant for Steve Di Paola's first-year course on AI history and ethical challenges, with duties including course introductions and instructional assistance. Sichuan City Vocational College fields the virtual senior digital human Cheng Xiaozhi for freshman orientation to conduct live Q&A and guide information intake, embedding digital humans into academic support and student services workflows. Nansha's holographic virtual idol concert in the Greater Bay Area operationalizes a virtual digital human plus content IP plus digital scene model, making the virtual human the central performer while enabling 3D audience interaction and seeding a regional digital culture supply chain. VTuber coverage on Nakanohito practices, including the rented grandmother case and identity exposure disputes, details the separation between the real-world operator and on-screen avatar, and the attendant cultural and operational implications for virtual entertainment. Shanxi's Smart Digital Plus Culture and Tourism program lists virtual humans among its tools for revitalizing heritage tourism, coordinating the Shanfor province's online promotion and the cross-regional Qinjin-Jihao tourism card, with virtual humans serving as digital interfaces for promotion, cross-region service alignment, and visitor assistance. For the Paralympics countdown, venues deploy a digital human customer service, our navigation, and smart accessible facilities to provide consultation and guidance, reducing information access friction. The 2025 Big Data Expo Data Night uses digital humans for real-time guest interaction in an immersive format, indicating a role in public-facing engagement and event reception. At the China Arab Expo, The Drive, Li Xin Digital Twin delivers meteorological briefings, showing digital twin applicability in public information services and cross-border scientific communication. Provides AI digital twin functions that learn user communication and knowledge to handle authorized lightweight decisions and social maintenance with continuous availability and private deployments for government and enterprise, aligning with data control requirements, advances a Web 4.0 transformation anchored in AI digital human technology and RWA tokenization to create new value circulation mechanisms. The National Development and Reform Commission defines digital twin labor modalities such as digital human live streams, intelligent writing, and automated customer response, delineating recognized work patterns for intelligent agents in service and operations. Within Taiwan's net zero talent training context, an unnamed virtual human platform is cited as part of planning and discussion, signaling the inclusion of virtual human infrastructure in regional capability development despite the absence of disclosed technical or operator details. Karame's deployment of a government services digital human built on Huawei Cloud AI illustrates a city-scale application of virtual beings for 24/7 resident support, standardizing responses and alleviating frontline load while presenting a replicable platform-based model singled out at the 2025 Digital Expo for Digital Government Innovation. In parallel, multilingual digital human demonstrations at the China Arab States Expo in Yinchuan show complementary capabilities for reception and information services in public venues, though those showcases do not disclose providers. Two complementary modes emerge across formal education and public science engagement. Integrates a digital human function that simulates a teacher to deliver personalized tutoring, and has been recognized among Sichuan's typical AI school applications, indicating uptake in adaptive instruction and after-class guidance, while event-based outreach relies on stage presence and youth interaction. With Shanxi's Qin Shapu debuting at the National Science Popularization Month launch in Shen and an AI digital human co-performing an original science song with students at Zhejiang Open University in Hangzhou. Both outreach cases focus on participation and engagement, with platforms and developers not specified. Guangzhou's Nansha district hosted the first Greater Bay Area holographic virtual idol concert, where audience members interacted in 3D with a virtual idol. Guangdong Wanyin Cultural Creative Company, Limited, led the production, and has a strategic agreement with local cultural authorities and Nansha Sub-District to advance AI plus holography plus initiatives, indicating a shift from one-off shows to programmatic, venue-anchored operations that combine virtual idol performance, holographic display, and audience interactivity. Exhibition-centric uses foreground communication skills and rapid content generation. The Digital Trade Fair in Yinchuan staged a digital human debate competition to benchmark language organization and domain knowledge retrieval in a competitive format, while reporters at SCO Smart Convergence employed AI-generated digital humans for immediate, multi-scenario broadcasts, evidencing a production workflow where virtual anchors accelerate information packaging across multiple contexts. Neither activity discloses the specific creation pipelines or supplier technologies. Shaman's AI Engineer Skills Competition placed digital humans alongside virtual twins in a single-scene construction platform for the hands-on exam, combining real-time transmission, model building, and interactive visualization to cultivate practical proficiency in designing and deploying virtual being scenarios. Although the platform vendor is not identified, the integration signals that digital human production and twin-based environment setup are being standardized as core competencies within engineering training. Shanxi's digital intelligence empowers Jin to enjoy rivers and mountains carnival at Taiyuan Botanical Garden, applied digital humans to visitor guidance, interactive narration, and brand storytelling under the direction of the Provincial Culture and Tourism Authority, positioning virtual beings as a stable unit within destination experience design, and as a vehicle for converting cultural programming into durable, repeatable visitor products across events and venues. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon.